can I ask you before we get into the 6 elements? Because I'm done.
Yes.
What is, like, if you're a manager, a leader of a company right now, and you're listening to this, give them a big why you should pay attention for the next 30, 40 minutes.
Yeah. More so than ever in today's marketplace with the challenges that we have with the pandemic, segment markets, some markets are getting devastated. Some segment markets are blowing up numbers like never seen before with 50 to 100% growth as a result of this pandemic. You know, in sales, you know, and you are the master and you are the great teacher in sales. You teach us and how to drive through the sales process, how to drive through that funnel. Incentives is the tool that can drive behavior, that can drive the results that you want in your business. So whether we be incentivizing a customer for their loyalty, whether it be incentivizing a company to get their attention, to acknowledge them, to keep their loyalty, to keep retention, to get them to grow their business, to create cross-selling opportunities, to grow sales in a stagnant market, incentives can be used as a manager to drive those results, to drive that behavior. It's important more so than ever today. Now, also in sales, what about your team, your sales team on the field, out there pounding pavement, dealing with adversity or dealing with opportunities? As a manager, as a leader, it's our job to motivate that sales team. We're the coach, we're the motivator. And how do you drive performance for people to better their best? How do you deal with the top reps and how do you drive them to perform more? Or how do you deal with mediocre reps and drive their behavior and challenge them to the next level? Or how do you deal with the people that are just maybe one step from being fired? And how do you save them and save your HR dollars and turn that person into a performer? Victor, it's my belief, my conviction that incentives, when used properly, can drive those results to produce that 10, 20, 30, 40% growth in sales that we as managers need in the marketplace. It's all part of the game.
When you look at the last